Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to take you through a quick way in which you can use Mote QR codes. So you will see here that I'm on a Google slide that I have switched the page setup to make it suit US letter size. I also have a template available for A4 for any of our community that use A4 paper. And this is what I'm going to do. So imagine the scenario that I've got lots of student work has been handed in, maybe some exercise books, perhaps it's an art portfolio, and I would like to give my students feedback that they could listen to. I'm going to zoom into the deck and show you exactly how I would go about doing that. Up in the top right hand corner I've got the Mote extension. Now please make sure that you click on this to generate a QR code as opposed to the button down here to embed audio into your Google slide deck. So I'm going to tap on the extension and I'm going to utilize something called the Mote pad. All I need to do to access the Mote pad is just tap right here and it will automatically start recording. So let's assume that I'm giving feedback to one of my students, Michael. Hi Michael, really impressed with what you've done so far. If you need any help finishing it off before next lesson, please let me know. Good job. Tapping on complete, I'm now ready to go. You'll see that I've got this My Recent Motes window has opened up. And to access the QR code, I'm going to click on the arrow coming out of this box on the most recent Mote created. Once I've done this, I'm given two options. If it was an external web resource, I would also be able to share directly to Classroom. But in this case, it's from Google Slides, and I have two options, a copy link, or the one that I am interested in, QR code. Clicking on that button, I've now got the QR code that I'd like to save, so very simply, it's now saved and you'll notice it at the bottom left hand corner of my Google Chrome browser. Now all that's left for me to do is to click and drag this wherever I would like, and on these templates for Google Slides you will see that we've leveraged the inserting image placeholders, so you can just drop your QR codes onto here and they will automatically be placed and sized appropriately. And then I can type this student's name in and I can repeat the same process for all of my other students, and if I'd like to I could print these off and give the feedback straight to my students to scan with their mobile devices. Hope this is of use. If you'd like the template, please just check out the description, and if you have any other ideas for Mote QR, don't hesitate in letting us know. Thanks and bye for now.